Hello, Star Wars fans! And today, what I have for you is issue 12 of the Build Your Own Star Wars X-Wing, which will complete the month 3 build for this. Alrighty, and here you see you have the build the X-Wing, assembling the engine, creating a Starship Fleet X-Wing in flight. So those are the main articles. And apparently this does have a Starfighter Aces catalog in here. Here we go. And this is the Starfighter Aces right here. Oh, you know, something I just realized. Apparently, this thing's coming out with a brand new cartoon. So, okay. And here we go to the assembling more of the engine here. Which, this is 17 parts. Or steps, I should say. 17 steps. And these are the parts you get with it. So, alright. Okay, and then we got that right there. We got this right here. And it's mostly all brown parts. Right there. And then these are the silver parts right in here, so. Alright. So there we go. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it should be 10 pieces in here. If I counted that right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Nine pieces? 6, 7, 8, no, 10. Yeah, 10. Okay. Yeah, I did count right. Okay. Well, there we go. Okay, so upper starboard engine. This issue's main component is the second half of the fuselage thrust engine's fission chamber. You also have several details that attach to it, including the turbo generator and its finned impeller. Alrighty. So assembling the engine. The second half of the engine assembly goes together in a similar way to the first, as all the parts provided are held together by push-fitting pins into matching sockets. Okay, so step 1 is showing this right here. This right here, it's showing some of the little silver pieces. And this part right here. So those two silver pieces on that one, along with this. Okay, so step 2. The alluvial damper has a mounting hole that matches a pin projecting from the engine casing. Okay, so as we see, there's a pin right here, and the hole for that pin. And step 3 is press the parts firmly together. Okay, so it goes this. Okay. Well, it's not exactly flush, but I guess it'll be good enough. Alright, so step 4 is align the 2 pins on one of the hydraulic adjusters with these 2 holes, making sure the adjuster is the right way round. Okay, so down in here. Alright, so step 5 is press the hydraulic adjuster firmly into the holes. Dang. Firmly. There we go. Why don't they just say that you have to use a lot of force? Okay, and step 6 is fit the second hydraulic adjuster on the other side in the same way. The interior of the engine should look like this. So obviously we will get that in there. And this is the one that needed the... Oh, wow, that went in easier than the first one. Okay. And it should look just like this. Okay, take the remaining 7 parts provided. Okay, yep, right there. Right there. Okay. Step 8 is fit the rear cone to the turbo generator body, lining up the indicated notch with the projecting lug. Okay, so right here. Okay, which that's lined up, and step 9 is press firmly together. Okay. Alright, there we go. Pressed firmly together. Okay, step 10 is align the 2 pins from this part and then this part on the turbo impeller with the matching holes in the turbo generator. Okay. Step 11 is press the parts firmly together. There we go. Okay, step 12. Fit one of the impeller blades into the rectangular socket of the impeller. Okay. There we go. Okay, so we got that. Step 13 is fit the other blade to the opposite side. Okay, so there we go for this. Oh, come on, come on. Shoot, shoot, shoot. Just in case anybody heard that low whisper. Oh, come on. I might need to use a tweezer. Very hard to keep hold of this thing and then try to push it in at the exact same time. So this should help. I just hope it doesn't gouge any of the paint off of this thing. Even though I know it probably will. Come on, come on. come on, come on. Oh, and I just freaking popped the other one out. Dang it. Frickin' hell. Alright, so that, you know what, I'm gonna put this one over here on this side, seeing as there was one already in there. There we go. Okay. Let's see if I can get this one in here, seeing as I had better luck with this one. Ah, there we go. Okay. There we go. Yay! There. Okay. Alright, so on to step 14. The turbo impeller assembly should look like this. Okay. There. See? It should look like this. Okay, step 15. The fission chamber has a keyhole-shaped mounting hole that fits the pin on the turbo generator. This half of it, okay. Yeah, so if you see that right there, you got a little keyhole thing, and right there. And step 16 is fit the turbo generator into place and press the parts firmly together. Alrighty. So, there we go. Nice little snap in there. Okay. And step 17 is fit the 2 pins on the fission chamber mounting into the matching holes in the collar on the fission chamber. So it's just like the last time. You got the 2 little holes here, and you know, that right there. And then just make sure it goes down all the way there. Like that. Okay. And that completes the stage. You will complete the engine internals and install them, and apparently it's install with 1L. Okay, install them in the next stage. So when we get the next month's issue, so apparently going to be doing more engine assembling in issues 13 through 16. And that's the other thing, which I kind of hoping this isn't definitely not a trial, because instead of showing us what kind of parts we're going to be getting, we have another piece of artwork. Some explosions on the Death Star. So, there we go. Alright, so, until the next Build Your Own X-Wing, or until the next Build Your Own R2-D2. Or until a next Star Wars. Or, I mean, until the next Transformers video. Thanks for watching.